everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoniadavis. If you're new, welcome. And in today's tutorial, I really just wanted to walk you guys through on how I like to personally get ready for the days that I don't want to wear a lot of glam. I don't know what I'm going to call this makeup look yet. And if you want to learn how I do it, then just keep watching. This baby hair right here is so annoying. I can't get it to lay down. I don't even know if it's baby hair. I think it's just like a hair shortage, breakage, whatever you want to call it. But I cut part of it hoping that it would, I don't know, grow back normal or lay down or do something for me. But it hasn't done anything. It just, I probably shouldn't have cut it because now it's just kind of there. All right, so to start out the face, I'm going to go in with these Glow Elixir drops. These are by Becca Cosmetics. These are from their Skin Love collection. Love these drops. I rave about these all the time. If you watch my Instagram videos, if you don't, you need to. I use this all the time. I love it. And I was skeptical when I bought it because I'm not into elixirs. Like you guys will realize, I don't own like any oil drops. I don't even own the Versali, I think that's the name of it, the Versali like gold elixirs. I don't own those either. So I'm not big on drops, but these, whew, if you want your skin to like look like skin and peek through and glow and do all of those amazing things, this is for you. Look at my skin. So I'm going to skip primer. I'm not really a primer kind of gal, I'll say. There's only a few primers that I actually like, but today I'm going to skip primer. I'm just going to go straight in with concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 260. A little bit lighter than my skin tone, but whatever. I'm also going to use this to cover up this friend down here that decided to show up out of nowhere. That is bright red and gorgeous. And just any more dark spots that I have on my face, I'm going to put a little bit of this concealer to cover. For some reason, the sides of my forehead get dark, so I also put it there, but that's pretty much it. I'm just using a beauty blender to blend this out. You could use a brush. You could even use the same brush that you used prior to apply the elixir, but I just prefer a sponge. This part is completely optional if you want to do it. If you want to use a powder, that's fine. For the makeup look that I'm going for today, I want to keep it creamy. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. This is in Warm Honey. I think I said this before, but there went my speaker. I think I said this before, but I like to use this foundation to cream contour. I feel like it makes, I'm just going to draw some uneven lines on my nose because realistically they're not going to be even. I just want to have some of the product there, but it's super light and it's easy to blend. And I'll say recently I'm just now starting to get into cream contour. I wasn't a big fan of it, but now I actually prefer to use cream over powders. It just looks a lot more natural on the skin. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Fenty, oh my god, Antonia, Fenty concealer, and place it just right here. The reason being is because I feel like it just looks a little bit muddy, honestly, and I want to clean it up a little bit, so. For blush, I'm going to go in with this palette right here. This is the Cream Blush Palette by e.l.f. And I'm actually just going to use the same stippling brush from earlier, and I think I'm just going to take the first two shades in the palette. I never liked cream blush before. I feel like this year I'm evolving so much, not just makeup wise, but overall. I feel like I've tried more things outside of my comfort zone this year with makeup than I have in the last 2 years of me loving makeup, essentially. I feel like I've always really liked makeup, but actually being into makeup, we're evolving, people. I'm going to set the face using a Mercier translucent setting. I have an eyelash in mine. Oh my goodness. So this is the Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I'm just going to put a tiny amount on my hand. Nothing too much. I think this is made to go underneath your foundation, but I am going to use it as a highlighter. I'm going to apply it right to, ooh, So pretty. And I like to drag mine just down a little bit on the cheeks. I kind of like to glow in this region, you know. We're going to attempt to do a natural brow. I don't know how natural it's going to be, but we are going to attempt. To set that, I'm going to use the Benefit 24-hour brow gel, whatever you want to call it. I always call it eyebrow gel, so, or glue. I'm going to go in with this bronzer right here from Morphe. Apply kind of like a bronze eye. Not anything intense, just a wash of color. For lips, I like to have a really nice pink like center and then just a nude or a clear gloss on the lips. So I'm going to take this blush by Clinique. This is their Berry Pop. I don't know if it's limited edition, but any blush will do. Okay, you guys, so this is it. I just put on a hoodie because I got cold. This is the final makeup look. I feel like this is definitely going to be my go-to look for spring, summer. I said summer. Maybe just add some lash extensions. I've been thinking about those for a while, but yeah, I feel like this is such a wearable look. You look so refreshed and glowy. I really do love this makeup look. These are my favorite products that I'm into right now, especially for this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. You guys already know the drill. And yeah, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.